Hello and welcome back to the Green Workbench. This was a probably 2 weekend project when we added in the painting. But we've got this side door to our house. We have just a little small farmhouse, and it was this dingy, dark entryway, and it's the most used entryway of all. So we wanted to do something on the walls, a wall treatment. We decided to go with the shiplap look. I think that looks good on in a farmhouse. I know it's a popular thing right now, but I would say a farmhouse is the appropriate place for it. But we couldn't decrease the width of this hallway anymore by using 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch actual shiplap. So instead, we got underlayment. It's like 3/16 of an inch plywood. Cut it into 8-inch strips on the table saw, and then just use small tile spacers in between these as we laid them up. So a little bit of construction adhesive, marked the studs and drove some finish nails into them, and then puttied the nail holes and painted. Most difficult part was because it's on a stairway, I had to cut these angles at the end of each piece, but once I figured out the angle, it wasn't too bad. So got those on, painted a nice whitewash, and then replaced, we have our electrical panel here in this entryway, also replaced all of the light switches and outlets with newer box style white. The old ones were off-white. The other thing is they had bulb lights that hung down about 6-7 inches. And so even though they wouldn't hit your head, it felt like you had to duck. It just made the room feel smaller. So I installed these LEDs. And they're the thin style LEDs. So they're only about an inch thick and really easy to just pop up into a 4-inch hole. You can actually adjust the warmth of the light. They have a little switch, and they're dimmable. So they're really easy. You don't need to attach any cans. You're not attaching it to any of the studs or joists or anything. They're just spring loaded. You just pop them right in the hole after you wire it up, and they're good to go. So it adds a lot of light and also makes the space feel bigger. So hard to get a wide angle view. But this space that was really dark and dingy before is now really bright and welcoming. We'll add some decoration to the wall and stuff, but I just wanted to take a quick second to show you something that we did that was pretty easy. Probably one day installation and then another day to paint, and it made a big difference in the house. So I hope you enjoy this. Leave your comments. Send me some photos if you've done it yourself. It'd be great to see. Please hit the notification button and subscribe, and I will catch you next time on the Green Workbench. Thanks for watching.